The 2024 Kia EV9 GT-Line, a large all-electric SUV, represents the Korean automaker's ongoing commitment to creating exceptional electric vehicles. Built on Kia's new Electric-Global Modular Platform, this striking SUV showcases an impressive blend of comfort, technology, and sustainability. With its extended dimensions of 197.4 inches in length, 77.9 inches in width, 70.1 inches in height, and a ground clearance of 10.6 inches, the EV9 comfortably seats up to 7 passengers, making it an excellent choice for families seeking a stylish yet practical electric vehicle. In terms of performance, the EV9 impresses with its advanced electric powertrain options. Rear-wheel drive models come equipped with a 76.1 kilowatt-hour battery pack and a single electric motor delivering 215 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. This setup offers an impressive range of 300 miles. For those who demand more power and range, the all-wheel drive models feature a dual-motor powertrain powered by a standard 99.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack. This variant produces a robust 379 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, with a remarkable range of 330 miles. The EV9 can also accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6 seconds and reach a top speed of 125 miles per hour, offering a thrilling driving experience. Inside, the EV9 delivers an exquisite fusion of luxury and cutting-edge technology. The spacious cabin is adorned with premium materials and offers an array of high-tech features. A large dual-screen dashboard serves as both the infotainment hub and the instrument display, providing real-time vehicle data and multimedia options. It also excels in terms of its fast charging capabilities. It can charge from 10 to 80% in less than 25 minutes when connected to a 350 kilowatts DC fast charger, thus significantly reducing the common range anxiety associated with electric vehicles. The EV9 GT-Line comes standard with a host of advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and collision avoidance assist. It also features a state-of-the-art semi-autonomous driving system, marking a significant advancement towards autonomous driving. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.